You've got to check out our newest update. This is the Superscript and Subscript for both funnels and websites. Now, our CRM's website builder and funnel builder include the capability to apply subscript and superscript formatting to text elements. Let's first talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to create enhanced content presentation. You're going to easily add subscript and superscript elements to text. It's going to expand expressive possibilities. It's going to empower businesses to include specialized characters and notations. It's also going to simplify the formatting process with a straightforward highlighting and selecting process. Businesses can now quickly apply subscript and superscript formatting. Let's talk about some practical use. Let's just say you have a fairly tech-heavy business and you use the CRM's website builder to create online publications. Now, with the addition of subscript and superscript formatting, you can now accurately display chemical formulas and even mathematical equations, plus a whole bunch of other things that are going to improve the clarity and professionalism of your content. First, you're going to go to the website or the funnel builder, and you're going to do that by going onto sites and finding either funnels or websites, depending on what you are using. Now, go ahead and either create a new funnel or select one that you're editing. For this example, we're going to be inside of the funnel builder. But outside of accessing the pages or the funnel steps within your funnel, editing a website works exactly the same. So you're either going to choose that step within your funnel or you're going to choose a page within your website and you're going to click Edit. From there, you're going to make sure that you have those sections and then the rows so that you can put an element in that. Now let's go ahead and select an element to put inside of the row that you have. Now you're going to select either a headline, a subheadline, or a paragraph. Now what you're going to see here is a new icon. When you highlight and that text box comes up for formatting, you're now going to see two additional icons. One is the superscript, and that's what I'm showing right here. Superscript is where the script is actually added a little higher than the regular script. So you can simply select what you want to be in superscript and then click that X with the 2 above it icon. And for that subscript, you're actually going to select now the X with the 2 slightly below. And now that is actually going to lower that text just slightly so that it is a subscript. This feature provides enhanced flexibility in content creation, enabling businesses to effectively convey complex information and improve the visual appeal of their website content, ultimately enhancing engagement and communication effectiveness. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.